So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of layers right here. That is layers of video. And let's say what I want to do is I want these particular three layers or clips right here to act as a single video layer or a single video so that I can edit them as a single clip. In that case, what you can do is you can create a compound clip. And to do that, you need to right click over here on this clip right here after you select all of them. And then over here, you can click on create compound clip. Once you do that, what happens is that a compound clip is created, as you can see right here. And now all of the components are here in a single area. So now you can go around and then edit it out as a single video, as you can see right here. You can get back and then you can edit it and so forth. And even when I move these around right here, so let's say, for example, if I were to go around and resize, all of the effects and all of the video in this particular compound clip gets changed right here, and you can edit it out as a single clip. You can right click and then you can undo compound clip right here and it gets back, as you can see right here. But whatever effect you apply right here does not stay just like that when you release the compound clip just like that. So that is how you can create and then create compound clip and then release out compound clip inside of CapCut desktop editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.